Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be entry level. It requires very little actual work experience, and best of all, it is processing financial transactions with no college degree. We are going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. If you want to read reviews on the company, put that application in. I do ask that if you enjoy any of my job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with them, share with all your friends and family. Today's job lead is from the company Symetra. Now, Symetra does have 451 reviews from current and past employees with an employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. And they are hiring an associate customer operations representative. Now, this is remote, I do believe, for only the United States. Now, this is going to require some phone work. It is going to be some customer service work, but they're looking for somebody to be responsible for reviewing and processing financial and non-financial activities for their active annuity products, including withdrawals, transfers, beneficiary changes to those policies, and any account maintenance that needs to be done. You'll maintain a high level of accuracy and ensure a positive customer experience. So you will have direct contact with the customers or agents to resolve any open issues with their financial account. So it does sound like this is going to be a call center job where you're taking those calls on the phone, and then you'll process financial activities in the system, preparing or keying checks, wires, things like that, whatever the customer needs. Now, they are paying anywhere from $21 an hour all the way up to $25.71 an hour. Best thing about this, they don't require any college degree. It is a entry-level support role. It says some prior work experience is required. It doesn't say how much, and it doesn't say that it needs to be in the financial field. So if you've ever worked at all, you should be golden. They do want someone who understands basic computer skills and data entry, because you're going to be working from home on a computer, and somebody who has good organizational skills. That is it. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.